Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today we're diving into one of the most extravagant and futuristic motor homes ever designed, the 2026 Jaguar Motor Home. With a price tag of around $4 million, this machine is not just transportation, it's a rolling statement of luxury, technology, and performance that truly pushes the boundaries of what a motor home can be. Jaguar has always been about blending elegance with performance, and with this motor home they've taken that philosophy to a whole new level. From the outside, the design is absolutely stunning. Jaguar's signature sleek lines are stretched across a massive frame, giving it a commanding yet elegant presence on the road. The aerodynamic body isn't just for looks, it's engineered for efficiency and stability at high speeds. The signature grille, flowing LED headlights, and dynamic contours give it a futuristic feel, almost like a concept vehicle that somehow made it to production. Massive alloy wheels, flush-mounted doors, and chrome accents highlight the luxurious attention to detail. At first glance, you'd think this is more super yacht on wheels than a traditional motor home, and that's exactly what Jaguar is going for. Step inside and the real magic begins. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking. Jaguar has combined handcrafted luxury with state-of-the-art technology to create an experience that feels more like a five-star penthouse suite. Premium leathers, real wood trims, and brushed aluminum create a warm yet modern atmosphere. The cabin is designed with open space living in mind, featuring lounge seating that transforms effortlessly into a dining area, entertainment zones with ultra-wide 8K displays, and panoramic glass panels that let natural light flood the interior. Smart glass technology allows privacy at the touch of a button. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, while the master bedroom features a king-size bed, walk-in closet, and spa-like bathroom with rainfall showers. Every detail is meticulously crafted to ensure passengers feel surrounded by comfort and luxury on every journey. But it's not just about looks and comfort, this Jaguar Motor Home delivers serious performance as well. Underneath, it's powered by an advanced hybrid drivetrain that combines a high-output V8 engine with electric motors for smooth, efficient, and powerful driving. With over 1,000 horsepower on tap, this isn't your typical sluggish RV. It accelerates with the confidence of a sports car while maintaining stability and control through advanced suspension systems. Jaguar's engineers have equipped it with adaptive drive modes, allowing it to switch between eco-friendly cruising and high-performance touring seamlessly. Despite its size, it handles surprisingly well, giving drivers the confidence to take on long stretches of highway with ease. In terms of technology, this motor home is packed with the latest innovations. Fully autonomous driving capabilities make long trips effortless, while AI-assisted navigation ensures you always find the best routes and luxury stops. Voice control systems, biometric security, and full connectivity keep passengers entertained and safe. The 2026 Jaguar Motor Home truly feels like the future of luxury travel. Of course, exclusivity comes with a price. At $4 million, this is far beyond the reach of most buyers, but Jaguar isn't aiming for mass production. This is a statement piece, designed for those who want the ultimate combination of prestige, comfort, and performance in their travel experience. For collectors and ultra-luxury travelers, the 2026 Jaguar Motor Home is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. That's our review of the jaw-dropping 2026 Jaguar Motor Home. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to MVP Auto for more in-depth reviews of the world's most incredible vehicles.